So hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss the exercise 9.2. So first one, the HCF of 2 and 4 is, what is the answer? HCF is 2. Why? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, so 2 is the common factor, so that is the highest common factor here. Second one, the HCF of 6 and 9, is there any common factor between 6 and 9? Yes, that is 3, so that is the HCF is 3. Next, third one, the HCF of 11 and 14, so HCF and 11 and 14 is, there is common factor, that is 11. 11 4s are 44, 11 1s are 11, so what is the answer? So answer is 11, option D. Next, fourth one, the reduced form of 12 by 36, so both the numbers are divisible by which number? 12, isn't it? 12 1s are 12 3s are 12 1s are 12 3s are, what will be the answer? 1 by 3. Okay. Next, fifth one, the reduced form of 1 by 6, so it is already in the reduced form. Why? Because reduced form means there is no common factor except 1. Here only 1 is the common factor, so it's already in the reduced form, so answer is 1 by 6 only. Next, the HCF of 8 and 20, so is there any common factor between 8 and 20? Yes, that is 4. 4 2s are 4 5s are, so HCF is 4. Next, seventh one, the fraction of 4 and 1, 4 are 1 2 and which number? The factors of 4, 1 4 is a 4, so 4 is the HC factors of 4, 1 2 and 4. Okay. Next, eighth one, the reduced form of 9 by 27, so here only cancel it, 9 1s are 9 3s are, so what will be the answer? 1 by 3. Next, ninth one, the HCF of 5 and 25, is there any common factor? Yes, 5 is the common factor, so answer is 5. Okay. So next, 10th one, the express 8 by 12 in its lowest terms, so lowest term means first write down 8 by 12, so cancel it, 4 2s are 4 3s are, so what will be the answer? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. So next, express the fraction 24 by 42 in its lowest term, so first write down so is there any common factor between 24 and 42? Yes, that is 2. 21s are 2 12s are, so what will get? 20 by 21, so again common factor is there 3 4s are 3 7s are, so what will be the answer? 4 by 7. Next, 12th one, write the common factors of 12 and 48, so first here common factors of 12, so here 12 up to 12 is a common factor, so write down the factors of 12, so that is common factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 12. Okay, so these are the common factors of 12 and 48 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So next, 13th one, reduce the given fractions to their lowest term using HCF, so first they given 65. Okay, so first write down the factors of 65, or otherwise use this method, 65 91, so which is the common factor here? Obviously 13 5s are 13 7s are, so here HCF is 13 and you will get the fraction 5 by 7, but here use the fraction, so factors 1 5, next 13 65, so next 91, here also 1 7 13 91, so common factors 13, isn't it? So common factors 1 and 13, so HCF is 13, so divide it, 65 by 91, 13 5s are 13 7s are, so what will get the answer? 5 by 7. Like that, second one 14 by 49, 14 by 49. So use this method 14 by 49. So here common factor is 7. 7 2s are 7 7s are. So HCF is 7. Otherwise use this method. Write down the factors, find out the common factor. After that find out the HCF. Otherwise you will get HCF is 7, isn't it? So HCF is 7. HCF is 7. So divide by 7. Divide by 7. 7 2s are 7 7s are. Here also divide by 13. Okay, so here divide by 7, you will get 2 by 7. Next 14th one, reduce the fractions using division method. Division method 20 by 90. So write down that one, division method. So here 20 by 90 is there, first one. So 20 by 90. So here 0 is in the unit place, here also 0 is in the unit place, so gets cancelled. Otherwise 10 2s are 10 9s are. What will get the answer? 2 by 9. Okay, that's very easy because here 0 0 is there, so you can cancel it. Next bth one, 63 by 84. 63 by 84. So both the numbers are divisible by 3. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are, isn't it? Next 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 2, 24. 3 8s are. So 21 by 28. So next these two numbers are divisible by 7. 7 3s are, 7 4s are. So final answer is 3 by 4. Final answer is 3 by 4. Next 50th one, reduce the following fraction using HCF. So I will solve first one, remaining 3 are homework. Okay, try it yourself. So first 8th one, 32 by 72 using HCF. So first write down the factors of 32. So factors of 32 are 1 2 4 8. 4 8 is 32, 2 16s are, and 32. So this is 16. Okay, so next 72, factors of 72, 1 2 3 4 6. Next 8 9 12. Next 18 24 36 72. So HCF is highest common factor. So these are the common factors, isn't it? 2 is common factor. Next 4 is common. Next 8 is common. Is there any common factors? No. So 8 is the HCF. HCF is 8. Cancel it. 8 4s are, 8 9s are. So what is the answer? 4 by 9. Like this, solve these 3 problems by using HCF. Use this method or use this method. This is box method. This is factors method. Use any one method to solve these 3 problems. Next 16th one, reduce the given fraction using HCF. Again use this method to solve these type of problems using HCF. Use factor method or box method. Next 17th one, Renu and Surekha were completing their homework. Renu completed 3 by 18 of her homework while Surekha completed 9 by 15 of her homework in the same time. Who completed more? So here they given the fractions. Who completed more means to check whether they are equal or not. How to check it? Either cross multiply or otherwise reduce the fractions to its lowest term. You will get the answer. So write down the statements. So statement, Renu completed 3 by 18 of her homework and Surekha completed 9 by 15 of her homework. So to check, so first reduce to its lowest term. So 3 1s are 3 6 are. Next here 9 1s are 9 6 are. So what is the fraction? 1 by 6. Here also 1 by 6. Here also 1 by 6. Here also 1 by 6. That means they completed the homework in same time. So therefore both of them taken same time to complete the homework. 18th one, Rama ate 3 by 16 of fruit salad dish and Shama ate 2 by 32 of another fruit salad dish. Did they eat the same quantity of the dish? If not, who ate more? So first write down the statements. So Rama ate 3 by 16 of fruit salad, Shama ate 2 by 32 of fruit salad. So to check whether they are having, this one is So this one is 2 by 32, 3 by 16. So only this one is cancellation possible. 2 ones are 2 16s are. So what is the answer? 3 by 16 and 1 by 16. So which one is greater? Here denominators are same. So just compare the numerator. Which one is 3 is greater than 1? That means 3 by 16 is greater than 1 by 16. So therefore statement. So therefore Rama ate more than Shama. Next 19th one, Sita completed 8 by 81 of her cursive writing book and Rita completed 4 by 36 at the same time. Did they both complete the same number of pages of the book? If not, then who has completed more number of pages and by how much? So by who completed more means, so take down the fractions and like this, so write down the lowest terms. After that, by how much? If it is equal, leave it. If it is more, just subtract, you will get the answer. So statement, Sita completed 18 by 18 of her cursive writing book. Rita completed 4 by 36 of her cursive writing book. Okay, write down complete cursive writing book. So here fractions are there. So cancel it. 9 2s are 9 9s are. So you will get 2 by 9 fraction. Okay, and here 4 and 16 is there. 4 1s are 4 9s are. So what will get the fraction? 1 by 9. So which one is greater? Definitely 2 by 9 is greater. So here who has completed more? Sita completed more. By how much? By how much means you have to subtract 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So how to subtract? Here denominators are same. So take the denominators common. 2 minus 1. How much? 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is the answer. So therefore Sita completed 1 by 9 more number of pages by Rita. Next 20th one is homework problem. Okay, just try it yourself, or otherwise I will send you the answers. Next 21st, Raj spent 800 rupees from his salary for petrol. If his salary is 12,000, can we say that Raj spends 3 by 45 of his salary on petrol? So first write down the spent salary, total salary, write down that fraction. So you will get one fraction compared to 3 by 45. If it is equal, answer is right. We can say that Raj spent 3 by 45 of his salary on petrol. So Raj spent his salary for petrol equals to 800 rupees. Raj's salary equals to 12,000. So fraction of salary spent on petrol equals to 800 divided by 12,000. So here 2020 gets cancelled. Okay, 2020 gets cancelled. So divide by 8. 8 ones are. Next here 12 is there. 8 ones are. 4 remains. 40. 8 5s are. So what is the fraction? 1 by 15. Okay, but they given here 3 by 45. So check it, that one also. 3 by 45. 3 by 45. So here cancellation possible, isn't it? 3 ones are. 3 15s are. So what is the fraction? 1 by 15. So therefore we can say that Raj spent 3 by 45 of his salary on petrol. Why? Because here they given 3 by 45, you will get 1 by 15, and here also what is the fraction? You will get 1 by 15. So both are equal means we can say that Raj spent a 3 by 45 salary on petrol. So next 22nd one, try it yourself, or otherwise I will send you the answers. Thank you.